In we come.
Okay, here we are.
Welcome.
Hello.
What's up?
What's your name?
My name's Jesse. I'm your brother. You should know this.
My name is Joe. Full name Joseph.
What do you do in terms of work?
In terms of work, I'm a full-time hairstylist. Full-time.
Full-time?
Full-time. 3/4 time. Yeah, that's kind of what I do for my income. So
I'm currently studying massage therapy. I'm in school right now. Student. Yeah, I'm a good old broke student trying to get by here. What else do you want to know?
What types of things do you like doing for fun?
I like to play video games. I like to play basketball. I like to play video games about basketball.
I do Olympic weightlifting a few times a week. Other than that, man, I don't have time for a whole lot of like super fun activities.
In regards to understanding the stock market, I know nothing more than the couple videos I've watched of yours. One of which was the one that we were in.
How many times have you watched that video?
Twice. It was also the other one.
So your overall finance situation is?
You remember the Twin Towers when they went down? Kind of like that, except more tragic. Can that go in there?
A couple more questions in the introduction. Do you guys know how to buy a stock?
Do I know how to buy a stock? I couldn't give you the exact details right now.
I've never done it, but from what I've heard, online brokerages are kind of the way to go.
Is buying stocks something that excites you guys, or is it kind of scary?
Well, definitely an opportunity to lose money, but an opportunity to make a lot of money as well. I think it's a generally good idea. I think people who seem to be wealthy, usually they're investing, so seems like a good idea.
Interested in making some money, making my money work for me, buying low, selling high,
All right.
tickers.
Well, today you each are going to be getting $500 to purchase your first stock.
Big money.
Smart.
6.
Give us more. 700.
550.
I know.
We'll find some new actors.
Oh, whoa. Where?
Nobody's gonna work
Where?
cheaper than us.
Well, in today's video, we're going to be using the online broker Questrade. It's one of Canada's most popular options. It's what I commonly use and one of the great places that I think beginners can get started with investing.
You've practiced that, haven't
That
you?
sounds like an
good.
advertisement.
And also, there's an affiliate link down below in the description.
What do you guys think would be the first step in terms of going out and buying a stock?
Picking one?
Market research.
Wow.
The first step I like to say is actually opening up an account. In terms of now you have a place to actually buy a stock.
That makes sense. Oh! Open an account. There it is. I pressed it.
Is it supposed to be like?
active.
Is it supposed to be like? This is what?
Because in all seriousness, there are many ways that you can invest. It could be very... Why don't you turn the volume off?
Dude, learn your lesson.
Mute them both. Yeah.
Right here.
Right.
Done.
Right where I was there.
100% agree.
Jokes aside, I do think that... Are you guys serious?
Dude. What else you got in your pocket?
That's it.
Do you have
Last
a
one.
watch with an alarm on it or
Last one.
something? Do you need a smoke break?
There are many choices that you have in terms of choosing what type of investment account you want to open.
We got margins, tax-free savings accounts, retirement savings plans, RSPs.
Margin.
Margin.
Isn't that where you bet with like extra multipliers?
No. That is plant-based butter. Like plant.
Margarine.
Yeah.
You can't believe it's not butter. But no, actually, that's where it's like, you're investing, but there's a multiplier on it. So if you lose big. If you win big.
There's a term in the investing world called leverage.
Leverage.
With a margin account, you can actually invest money that's technically not yours. You can invest with borrowed money. Now, do you guys think that's a good idea?
Hell
Oh
yeah!
yeah, make lots of money.
Woo! Let's do that one.
We're not doing that one.
Okay.
In today's video, we're going to be going with the TFSA, the tax-free savings account. What do you guys think is the next step?
What's the next step, Beav?
I'm asking you guys.
It's probably picking a stock that we want to buy, right?
Which would involve research.
Market research. You said
Market
that,
research.
Yeah, you just get the better terms.
Have you put any thought into that?
Nope.
I've always liked Tesla. I like Elon Musk.
Ooh.
I mean, you gotta have faith in a guy who's sending memes every day.
He's a good memer.
Good memer.
Jesse, any stock in particular you had on top of mind?
Well, I mean, the amount of Starbucks my girlfriend buys, she could pretty much support the company on her own. So maybe I think I'll do this.
I'm actually looking at the Tesla stock right now. Even I know there's a terrible buy.
How do you know that?
Because it's gone up like crazy in the past few months, 2-3 months. It's gone up and up and up. Hasn't corrected yet. That's the term. Yeah, so I'd assume that buying now would be terrible because it's statistically likely to go down pretty much any second at this point, which sucks because I wanted to buy a Cybertruck.
Jesse, what type of research have you done on Starbucks stock?
So I opened the stocks app on your laptop here, and there was a big green plus, and green generally means good, and pluses generally mean positive. That's it. See, you know what I mean?
S-Bucks.
I was also looking for the funniest tickers.
One of the things that I think factors in very heavily when picking your first stock is trying to identify what type of investor you guys plan to be. You may have heard of growth investing, dividend investing, bull investing, bear investing. Tell me kind of what you guys are thinking in terms of what strategy.
Okay, I mean, I think going for a penny stock is just stupid. It's just statistically improbable. Might as well go to the casino. It's probably more fun. I don't feel like waiting 30 years to see any growth. So I'd like to kind of go somewhere in the middle where if things turn out well, it'll come fairly soon. So I won't get bored or even forget about it. But yeah, I don't want to just lose everything in a day. So I'm thinking somewhere around the middle. I'm looking at maybe companies that are starting out now that have a lot of potential. People are talking about Uber's all the talk these days. Yep. And it's cheap. It's actually really cheap. It was $46 at one point, and we're looking at a price of about 35 right now.
It's going down. Sell.
No, it went down, but it's kind of on its way up. It seems maybe it bottomed out and it's kind of coming back up a little bit. Maybe. I
actually kind of more resonate with the longer term safety kind of growth. You said that you don't like you might get bored and forget about it.
Yeah.
I kind of want that. I want an account that I can just throw some money into it and then over time kind of allow it to grow. So in 40 years I can be like, oh, that's a lot of money. Compound interest works.
Warren Buffett, he likes that. Airplanes.
Rest in peace. Oh, is he dead? Is he dead?
Is he dead?
Yeah.
Probably.
Say that one more time to the camera.
Is he dead?
I have a question. If Warren Buffett dies,
what would you do?
Are you just going to quit? Like, do you have anything else to do with your life? Do you have to take the shrine in your house down? I haven't had many views in a while, so I'm going to make a Warren Buffett video.
Smirk. He knows it, right? I was also thinking about Nike.
Nike?
NKE is the ticker. It looks like here, it kind of started way up here and kind of went like this. Watch closely here. It goes like kind of like that and then like that and it went like this.
Oh, that's a foraging walrus.
The foraging walrus investment pattern.
Yeah.
It's called swoop pattern.
The swoop pattern.
Swoop pattern, okay.
Right on brand. And now it's going like this. Right? So I think if I buy it there, if it keeps going like this,
it probably will, right?
I'll make some money.
You're also looking at a 1-day chart. It doesn't really tell you much. Are you planning on trading, buying, selling
so
tomorrow?
What do you suggest, Joe? Like a year?
Look,
6
5
months?
Oh, 5 years. 5 years. Because look at that.
Oh, okay,
So
that looks different. That's way better. That's way better than I was
it's
thinking.
trending upwards, but it corrects itself, meaning it's not artificially inflated.
No, dude, you know why Nike's gonna be sick? Because with house highlights, all these like Instagram promotion channels, just sports right now are just so like
and brands.
It's just so in your face. People wear Nikes.
And they released the Nike hijab.
That's sick. Is it athletic hijab?
Yeah. It's an athletic hijab. How can you beat that? Like, it's not going to happen.
Do they have an athletic kippah?
No,
The
and
other
you know what?
religious
As a Jew, I'm incredibly offended, and
Sure,
that's
I
why
take
I'm
it
not
back.
investing in
We'll
my
cut it out.
Nike. I'm waiting for the Nike kippah. Nike, get that kippah.
Dividends. Before we move on and actually purchase the stock, do you guys have any thoughts as to dividends?
What is a dividend other than division? Math. Dividend is the result of a division. Get the dividend.
I've just ordered 3 Nike hijabs.
we used the $500 on Nike hijab. Sorry, Brandon.
A dividend. Jesse, can you explain what a dividend is?
I cannot guarantee I cannot, but from what I understand, my limited understanding of it is that you get money every once in a while.
Yes.
Like you give them your $100 and then they'll be like, okay, well here's $3.
Yes.
Okay.
But they have to make profit, right?
No, they don't.
They don't?
No.
What
If their stock goes down, you still get your money, right? You still get your dividend.
That is very true.
Oh, dang. So they don't even have to do well.
Well, the company does have to do well in order to pay the dividend, but as a shareholder, even if your shares are going down, you do still receive a dividend payment typically every quarter.
That sounds too good to be true. What's like, honestly, like, why would you never invest? Why would you ever not invest in something that's just going to guarantee you money?
I think dividends are a very crucial part of investing. It's something that everybody should be.
Why would somebody, like, what is the argument against dividend stocks?
Growth companies, so take a company like Uber that you mentioned.
Uber is growth.
A younger company, they often don't have the money to pay out a dividend. If you're a younger investor, you may forfeit the dividends in anticipation for a little more growth.
More high returns. Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
So it's a trade-off, as with everything in investing.
This stuff's cool.
By the way, have you guys heard of Skillshare?
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that online community with thousands of classes covering dozens of creative and entrepreneurial topics?
Yeah, and a premium membership gives you unlimited access, so you can join the classes and communities that are just right for you.
Wow. Doesn't that sound expensive?
Well, actually, Skillshare is incredibly affordable. An annual subscription is less than $10 a month.
And because Skillshare is sponsoring today's video, you can use the link down below and get your first 2 months free.
Wow.
Come on. You're going to say no to
Do
that?
it.
You're going to
Do
say
it.
no to an
Look at this guy.
free month?
Give him your money.
Free 2 months?
I don't get any money.
Oh.
And because Skillshare is sponsoring today's video, you can use the link down below this video and get a 2-month free trial.
I mean, come on. Just do it.
Sounds like a no-brainer.
No brainer.
2
Come
months
on.
free.
Yeah, let's go.
So Jesse, you've landed yourself on Starbucks and Nike, and Joe, you're gonna run with Tesla.
I'm actually not going to go with Tesla. That's way too high. I like the company. I think it's going places, but I think the price is just way too inflated right now. So I'm actually going with Uber.
Uber.
Good price. I think ride sharing is it's already taking off. I think it's already super successful. People seem to love it. It's just a revolution in the industry. It's a new way of getting around town, and it's cheap. If I haven't mentioned that, it doesn't cost very much.
Now
And
I
it's cheap.
want to do Uber.
You're already stuck with your picks, Jess. Stick to your own strategy here. Okay, moving along. Let's hop back into our computers and actually take a look at purchasing a stock. Do you guys know what to do?
Well, I'm going to look it up.
Symbol lookup.
The ticker's easy for Uber. It's just Uber.
Okay, so if we're looking to try to find a stock we're going to buy, we need to punch in the exact ticker for that company, correct?
That is correct. And I guess the next step, logically, would be how many shares do you have to buy of your particular stock?
They're making us do math?
Dude,
oh my God.
I can't divide.
No, we can do this. Let's work on this together.
Calculator's
I'll
up.
get a calculator here.
Okay.
Here we are. Okay, why don't you go first?
Okay, so I have $500 and it's trading at $35.01. So I'm gonna divide that by 35.01. I can buy 14.2816338 shares
Of Uber.
of Uber.
You were very close.
Oh! The commission!
Commission is definitely something to talk about, which is with Questrade, $4.95
Per trade.
Per trade.
But more importantly, with a stock like Uber, that is a American stock.
Oh.
So I
And
it's
our account is
USD.
Canadian
We
dollars.
need to invest in Ube.
What?
Canadian joke. ER?
Ah, yeah.
Right?
Ube.
Because it's French, right? Ube. You
Yeah.
speak French, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
none of that's right, but
So yeah,
whatever.
very good try there. A stock like Uber, as you can see, it trades on the NASDAQ, I believe it is, or the New York Stock Exchange.
Whatever what it is, it's an American.
It's an American stock.
Oh, I'm super good at this. Watch this. Ready?
Yeah.
500 USD to CAD.
CAD. We say CAD in the industry.
Okay, that doesn't make sense.
No. It's 500 CAD to USD.
How many USD to CAD? So we ended up with $600.
500. So I have $382.29. So both of us have that much.
Highway robbery.
And how about this? So 383.29. And what's the commission?
$4.95.
495. So
Minus
subtract
$4.95. 495.
Don't worry.
That
It's literally impossible to calculate that in your head. So
$378.30.
So we have $378
Divided by
divided by 35.01. 35.01.
Divided by the share price.
So I can actually buy 10.80 stocks. It's actually 4 or 10 point. I can buy 10.8054841 shares. That's actually 4 shares less than I originally thought. That's a lot.
Can you buy 0.8% of a stock?
No, you cannot. You can only buy full shares, at least with Questrade at the moment.
Huh.
Interesting.
Can you do that with like
Other brokers in the States, you can buy what's called fractional shares.
all right.
And that's something that I wish we had here, and hopefully it comes soon. But at this point in Canada, we don't have
It's a
that.
Canadian thing. It always happens in Canada. You get the short end of the stick when it comes to these things. America, it's like, you know what? Yeah, we'll let you buy that 0.8% of a stock, but not us. They're like full shares only. Trudeau, come on. What are you doing?
S-Bucks is trading at $91.51 per share.
Okay.
American. But Brandon, I want to buy two different stocks. Nike and Starbucks.
That's something to factor in. Keep in mind, you'll now be paying 2 different commissions.
You didn't tell me that.
$10 in commission.
$10 USD?
I think $15.
That is $13
$13
Canadian.
$13.
Wow. You
But
screwed me,
it's a
dude.
learning experience.
Okay, so 383.3. That's how many US dollars I have to invest. Let's say I want to divide that equally. It's 191.65 of US dollars. Starbucks is trading at 91.54 US dollars. Nike is trading at 102.79 US dollars.
Okay.
So I could buy one of each. What's going on here?
Oh, so that's lame because so he has $190 per stock, and if the stock is trading at just over half of that, then he can't buy 2 of them. So he has all that money that can't be spent on that stock.
I can't do it. Because look, if I bought one stock of Nike and one stock of S-Bucks, that is $194.
Okay.
Wait, what?
No, you
You
have.
have-
Oh, I have
you
$383.
Yeah.
So you can buy $91. You can buy 2.
One of each, no problem.
Yeah.
But I can't buy 2 of each.
I think you can buy 2 Starbucks because that 91 plus 91 is 182.
I'm not going to check you on that math. but-
183. So you could actually buy 2 with some money to spend. But that's interesting because if the price of a stock was more than half of what you have to spend, you can't buy 2 of them. So you have
to settle
all that money to either not spend or.
If I don't spend it all, can I keep the difference?
It would stay in the account.
So it doesn't go to me.
It would stay in the account.
It's still yours. You own it, but you just. Yeah.
Will you give me cash? Is my question. Okay, so here's my decision. I'm going to buy one stock.
One share.
Yes, one share. I'm going to buy one share of Nike. I'm also going to buy 2 shares of S-Bucks. So plus 91.54 plus 91.54 equals, that takes me to a cool $295.77, including commission, for one share of Nike and 2 shares of S-Bucks.
That is very long and complicated.
Math,
That was kind of fun though. I
Yeah, well,
genuinely-
It is. And when you see how much money you have, that's really the only way to do it. Awesome work on the math there, guys. Now, onto the order entry where you'll place your trade.
Order entry, I see that. So okay, I see a little entry thing up top. So I'm just gonna type in 10.
No. You got to type in your the
Oh, because
ticker.
I thought it was up here
Oh,
already.
no. This is just information.
Oh, okay.
There
Oh,
you
I see.
go.
Oh, okay. So okay, we have the prices, the bid size, ask size,
Essentially, the pricing of the stock.
Yeah,
I'm sure
yeah,
that
yeah.
it looks
Okay.
like, but you've already done the math on
Okay.
that, which is good.
quantity 100. I mean, if you want to throw up some more cash, I'll do that. But I'm gonna bring this down to 10. It only does multiples of 10. What if I wanted 15?
I bet you
Try
can
and
select it.
Try
Like,
selecting it and punch
Oh
it.
yeah, you can really type it in. Okay, well that's easy. Order type limit. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of things I don't know what they mean. Okay, order type: market limit, lock, stop limit, TRL stop limit. What are these?
So there are a ton of different orders that
Yeah.
you can place in the stock market.
Right.
You're essentially sending an order to the stock exchange.
Yeah.
You're saying, "Hi, I'm Joe, and I would like to buy 10 shares of Uber." Now, you can specify whether you want to pay the market price. You can set a limit in terms of if you wanted to pay a specific price, you can go with a stop loss.
Okay,
Or-
I have a question though. This is just because this is interesting me. Like it's trading at 34.95.
Yeah.
Could I say
3501.
3501? Could I say if it drops to 33, then I want to buy it?
That's
So the
exactly
order's
what-
there, so you don't even really have to
Yeah.
pay attention. It'll be
Yeah.
fulfilled probably.
That is exactly what a limit order is,
Okay.
and that's why you can toggle between the two. But for a long-term investor, we're typically just gonna stick with market orders. But that's a great point, Jesse. That is where a limit order comes
Okay,
into
I've
play.
selected market. Duration day, GTC, GTD,
Just
GT.
leave
Just
that
leave it
as
at day. Okay, that's fine. Account TFSA, and that's the one that's been opened up, so it's already there. Okay, I see a big green button that says buy, and a big red button that says sell.
Is this it?
Is this it? If I press this big green buy button, it's happening. This is real.
This is the real deal. This is how you buy a stock.
Ah! Dude, I want. Okay, you. Okay,
there's a
I thought he
confirmation.
stole my buy. No, there's a confirmation. I can't wait to because I really wanted to press the buy to send that. Right. Oh, it does all the calculations for you. Account your trade
Oh,
value
there
10
will
times
always be-
35.8.
There will always be a confirmation, which is important.
Yeah.
And this is where you can make sure that you're factoring in your math right. You got your commissions in a fair.
That's perfect.
Wow.
So send order. That is it, right? I'm gonna do this. I'm doing this right
Are
now.
you ready to
Buy
buy?
my very first stock, guys. Send order.
Woo! Oh shit! How do you feel, buddy? Richer?
Yeah, like man, like so, like when's the paycheck coming? Like thinking.
Let's
of
wait.
buying a car
Let's wait till
tomorrow.
it goes up. Okay. So I remember how to do this.
Yeah.
You go symbol lookup.
Okay, you can just do it.
S bucks. There it
So
is.
this gives you the
91
prices
points.
which you've already calculated.
Four.
but
So S bucks
there
is
it's
right
already
here.
there.
Bang. Quantity. I said I wanted 2,
2.
right? So 2. Oh.
Yeah, enter.
Enter manually. 2. Bang. Order type market. Duration day. Account TFSA. Auction stop. Stock. Okay.
You did that to me.
Okay. So you don't do.
But I'll
do
let
it
you
on
send,
video.
send
this
the
is-
order. Okay.
Oh, $183.44. Right?
Yeah.
Can I press it?
Woo!
Now you have another stock to purchase.
I do. I said I was going to do that.
So do it.
I remember the ticker. NKE.
Nikki.
Nike Inc. There it is. So easy. New York Stock Exchange.
Yeah, that's good.
NYSE.
NYSE. Quantity 1. Order type market. Duration day. TFSA. This is so intuitive.
Wow.
Wow, Quest Trade. Buy. Oh man, this is easy. Okay, so $102, right? That's it? $102.85?
Yeah.
Send order. Joe, you don't do this for me, buddy.
Are you sure?
100%. I want to do this
Do you know
together. Together.
Both of us. 1, 2, 3, click. All right. Look out, Wall Street. We're coming.
Is that it?
That's it. You guys
Stocks
just buy your first
bought.
Okay.
You guys are investors.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Feeling
Dude, that
pretty,
feels
feeling pretty
good.
good. I'm feeling
That
rich.
feels
I'm
real
feeling,
good.
I'm feeling wealthy and rich.
Seriously, how does it feel to purchase your first stock?
Feels
Yeah,
good.
it does. It's cool. It's
Feels
cool.
super
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah. That's
Way
awesome.
easier than I thought it was going to be using Quest Trade.
Okay, you can use whatever platform you want.
But you want to use Quest Trade.
Today we were using Questrade, but you can use whatever platform you want.
Now I know you helped us out. Basically, you babied us through the whole process. But I feel like I could have figured that out on my own. It's not too crazy complicated. But yeah, no, that was intuitive.
I forgot that the Canadian dollar and the US dollar have different values.
Yeah,
so that
that's
was
actually
very
a big
important.
thing. If had you not pointed that, I probably would have just assumed it was.
Oh, and it
wrong.
would have taken out of my bank account?
It wouldn't have taken out of your bank account.
Oh, because you have to
but-
preload the...
But your Questrade may have gone into a debit balance. It may have actually gone to a negative balance, which you would have to. It's not the end of the world with a $500 trade, but it is still something to factor in. You want to be prudent and make sure you're doing it right, which you guys did.
But when we're trading millions of dollars in the next couple months...
Yeah.
If your stocks do well,
Oh yeah, we have stocks!
so congrats on buying your first stock.
Thank you. Thank you for giving me the money to do it.
You're welcome. How was it?
It was good. It was way easier than I thought it was going to be. It feels good. It feels good to buy stocks.
Yeah.
Super good. It's like, it's like you're buying things, but, rather than like a shirt or like a bag, you buy pieces of companies that can make you money.
They can make
So your money's going away because you're buying something, but, you still have
it's
it.
not really
it's
going away. Assuming you're buying a good company, which, in my opinion, I like the companies you pick.
Yeah, man.
So you are officially a shareholder of.
I'm officially a shareholder of Starbucks and Nike.
now you can feel better when you go buy some of their products.
Yeah. I can. I already don't feel good about it because Nike for sure is a little.
Child labor?
Yeah, that stuff. But I mean,
The hijabs.
the hijabs.
hijabs.
They're very progressive.
Yeah.
I like Nike for that. I'm happy with my choices. I don't know what else do you need me to say here, man.
Just kind of wrap it up and see.
Just wrap it up. I want to thank you, Brandon. I want to thank you for helping me through this, kind of getting me involved in how to buy and get started in the stock market. That was a lot of fun.
What are your next steps?
Well, I mean, if you're willing to give me any more money, we could do it again.
All right,
We can
let's
do
get,
that?
let's get Joe into that.
All right.
So Joe, tell me a little bit about how that experience went buying your first stock.
It was awesome. It was a lot of fun, actually. It was one of my favorite part was actually the research, like looking at the different companies. Like I was interested in Tesla, but learning and realizing that it was way too high and it's kind of a stupid buy at the moment, in my opinion. And then eventually coming across Uber, which looked like a good price. And I think I think like the whole ride sharing business is progressing. So I believe in it. I can actually kind of have confidence in my stock and not be worrying about it. The actual process of buying was quite simple. I thought it'd be harder. You just basically type in what you want for how much after some calculations and you got it. But yeah, thank you for the opportunity, Brandon. Thank you for the money. So,
You're welcome.
Yeah.
What are your next steps in terms of your progression as an investor?
well, I think now that I realize that it's that easy, I'll probably consider kind of taking some of my savings and money and maybe investing it rather than just sitting there doing nothing. And I don't know, I think it'll be fun to kind of check in on every once in a while, like, oh, Uber's doing well, and look back on my decisions. So yeah, no, it was a good opportunity, good time, and I feel like I'm being creeped on right now.
His was way better. I want to do mine again.
You can do
Can we
yours
start
again.
over?
You can do yours again, but yeah.
Okay.
Hey, maybe I get to be using Uber, knowing that all the money I'm spending on Uber might actually be making me money in the future as well. Yeah, it's cool. You're kind of annoying though.
Me?
Yeah, you ask a lot of questions.
Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Okay.